Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in DupDub, and I'm going to show you a whole bunch of their awesome features. Hovering over products here, you'll see they've got a whole bunch of things, but in this video, we're going to take a look at a couple things like AI avatars, AI writing, and even AI video transcriptions. That's just a small snippet of what this tool can do. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. So the first step, head over to DupDub.com, links in the description below. I'm going to go to products. I'm going to hover, and I'm going to go with the first one, AI Avatar. They do fantastic AI avatar functionality here. And here's the thing. You can start for free, like it says here. So I have a paid account, but if you do not have a paid account, you just want to try it out, you don't even have to put your credit card in. Just start cooking and see if you like it. So here we go.
All right, so we're inside the AI avatar side of things, and yeah, they've got some pretty cool things here. First off, we can upload our own face photo, or we can upload an animal photo. This is the only place I've seen this where you can upload an animal photo, so we're going to go with that. That said, down below here, you will see a few other images of some people. So if you're looking for someone else or you're just looking for some stock imagery, it's here and ready. But again, I want to work with animals. So here we go. Click on Upload Animal Photo. When I do that, I'm in my DupDub folder, and I'm going to load up this cute little corgi. Let's go ahead and load the corgi. Now, one thing I should mention is, I'll zoom in for effect here, is the animal photos, especially if you can get the cheekbones and like the mouth open a little bit, like a more expressive and defined face where you can see more of the features, the more you can see of that, the better the end result is generally. And that's with photos for people as well, but just something to keep in mind. So we've got this nice expressive looking corgi. Now we can do a few more things here. You can go ahead and replace the face if you want to. I'm not going to do that. I think this dog looks pretty darn cute as is. But again, you can make some changes in here. You can crop it. You can change the background, etc. Let's leave that alone though. Over here is where the magic happens. Under AI voiceover, I'm going to type in what I want our AI avatar to say. So in this case, well, let's make it realistic. Hello, Dad. Time for a, walkie. Because that's what my dog says to me 100 times today, I would think. I haven't counted it, and he doesn't really talk. But again, besides the point. So there we go. We've got some voiceovers in here. Now, you can upload your own voice. If you've got a, recording of you talking or someone else talking, feel free to use it. Alternatively, you can use this as a live recorder. So if you want to record yourself talking in real time, also available. But again, we're going to stick to our knitting here. So there we go. We've got that. Now, this is where some more magic happens. Check this out. You can listen to the voice. Let's listen to it. I'll turn it up a bit here so you can hear what it sounds like.
Hello, Dad. Time for a walkie.
Okay, that's pretty good, but you know what? I want to use a little bit more of a fun voice. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on the voice here. When I do that, now look at this here. We've kind of got ourselves a little bit of like a voice control center, and they've even got a voice lab. Now we can go ahead and click through all of these different voices and listen to them. And I mean, they've got loads of voices here, don't get me wrong. But what I like to do, one of my favorite things to do is click on Voice Lab, and then check this out. When you're in here, there's some fun voices. Like, I don't think my dog's going to have a regular voice. I personally think my dog's going to sound like SpongeBob. I don't know this, or Cheeky Squirrel, or Silly Star, or something like that. But you can listen to these and just get a little bit of a feel for it. So let's listen to Cheeky Squirrel.
I'm hotter than a hickory smoked sausage on a July summer day.
All right, I like that style. That sounds like a squirrel. Spongy's my favorite. I'm going to listen to this one. Watch this.
I'm ready. I'll give you the Krabby Patty secret formula. I'm ready.
Okay, so that sounds like what a dog would sound like in my brain. Again, you can go through all of them, check them out. You don't have to pay to try them. They've even got celebrities and things like that. But for this one, for this demonstration, I'm going to click on Spongy. Then I'm going to confirm it over here. Now, when I process this, when I export it, I'm going to get this dog doing an AI avatar animated face, like a talking photo basically, and we're going to get Spongy's voice, and it's going to say exactly what I typed in. So here we go. Let's go ahead and click on Generate Talking Avatar. This will take a few seconds to cook. When it's done, I'm going to come back. Oh, I got to click on Generate. My bad. And you only see it uses 0.2 credits, and I've got 500 credits. So you get a lot of credits too. So I'm clicked on Generate. It's going to start processing. When it's done, I'll come back, show you what we got, and then I'll show you some more cool things. All right, so it's gone and done it. Let's take a look at what this corgi looks like as an AI avatar. Click on Preview. Here we go.
Hello, Dad. Time for a walkie.
Yes, let's listen one more time. This is fantastic. Watch the face.
Hello, Dad. Time for a walkie.
Okay, so if you are a dog owner or you know a dog owner and you want to send them something to make their day, This is one way to do it, guys. I love this. So there you go. That's the AI avatar feature, or the AI avatar functionality in a nutshell. You can use it for people, for animals. You can use their images, your own images, celebrities, etc. Let's now go to the next part.
All right, welcome back. So we took a quick look at the AI avatars, but we focused on the animal side of things because it's pretty cool. Haven't seen that before. AI voiceovers, text-to-speech is also fantastic in DupDub. Let's click on it here. And now watch this. One thing you're going to see here is it's going to select Spongy, the voice we used in the previous AI avatar, or the doggy avatar there. Well, we got that voice back, and now we got a couple of other options. We can ask AI to write something for us. So if you have your own script or what you want to say, just start typing in, hi there, you could do that. However, I like to use AI. I mean, that's kind of what we're using this for. It's an AI program. Let's click Ask AI to Write. I'm going to go ahead and ask it to write a quick video script for YouTube, because I'm a YouTuber. Why not? Let's go with that. We're going to do about a French bulldog, I don't know, on a walk on a summer day, okay? Something like that. I'll just hit enter, and then watch this. Boom. I can add single voiceover or multiple voiceovers. Let's go with single. But again, something you should know, you can do multiple back and forth voices. Click on this here. AI is going to write this in a split second. It just went right away, and you'll see here it's wrote us a very long script, actually. There's quite a bit here. So here we go. Okay, this is pretty cool. Now, here we go. We have some options at the end here. We can, if I click on that, we can go ahead and ask it to reduce the size, increase the size, etc. But I like the way this looks. So here we go. Opening scene, narrator. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete all that because that's just sort of exposition. But here we go. Here's the first part of the script. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I want to do that in Spongy's voice. Let's go ahead and see what happens. I'm going to hit play. Check this out. This is awesome.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking our adorable French bulldog Biscuit on a summer adventure.
Done. How cool is that? Now, all I got to do is if I want to change the wording, I can go in there and rewrite it. I can go ahead and change the speed if I'm so interested. There's a lot of different things you can do here. You can add pauses. So if you've got the voices a bit, if it's too fast or too slow at parts, you can go ahead and add in a whole bunch of different things here. I recommend you try them all out here. There's so many different things. Sound effects, that would be cool. Let's add in a barking sound effect. That might be interesting. Let's see. Let's click on that. Well, I got you. Here we go. Okay, system sound effect. Bark. Is there anything for barking? Yes! Let's see what this sounds like. Background barking. I love it. Okay, so we could add in a sound effect, but you get the point here. We gone ahead and did this with AI. We're doing it with their text-to-speech. If I want this, I could just click on export. It's that simple. I can get a WAV or an MP3, or if you've got a premium plan, and I do have one, you can generate a video. What the heck would that even look like? Let's go ahead and click on MP4 with green screen, with subtitle. Okay, you know what? Actually, that'd probably be a lot of work. Let's go with MP4. So there you go. I'm going ahead and cooking it up. You'll see here that it says here it's going to use 34 credits. That's fine. I got a whole bunch. And it's going to take a little while to export, but that's okay. I'm going ahead and doing it. But the point is you saw how this worked. It's fantastic tech. I'm going to show you what we get when it's done, and then we're going to come back and take a look at one last thing. All right, welcome back. So it's gone ahead and cooked it up for me. So here I am. I'm in my projects, and then under AI voiceover, you'll see I've run a few of them here. This is the last one here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on these three dots, and then I'm going to go ahead and export, and then I'm going to go ahead and export MP4 with subtitle. So this way it just goes ahead and downloads for me. There you go. Download successful. Now I can go ahead and click on the open button. Watch this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking Level putting on his leash.
So there we go. We've got a green screen with the text that we asked for. Now, this isn't entirely perfect, don't get me wrong here, but the last thing I'm going to show you is their AI video editor, and this way we can take it to the next level using another tool inside DupDub. Let's go there.
All right, the last thing I want to show you is their video editor tool. I really like it for a few reasons. First off, I mean, it's included in the package, so you don't have to go out and purchase expensive software to video edit. You can just do it all in one place, Swiss Army knife style. Secondly, it's quite good. It can do a lot of different things, and it's easy to use. So let's do it. We're in Home here. I'm going to go click on Home, and then I'm going to click on Video here under Create with DupDub AI. Then I'm going to click on Video Editing. When I do that, Oops, I am in the wrong language. My bad. I got it translated there. I hit the wrong button. No big deal. Here we go. We are now inside the video editor. It is crazy easy to use. That corgi video we created earlier, to use that as an example, this isn't going to be a detailed tutorial on their editor, but I'll show you the basics. I'll just click on videos over here on the left side. Look at that here. Under my avatars, we've got our avatar. I click on preview, and then here we go. Our little corgi that talks and does AI avatar stuff is here. We hit play. Let's see what it looks like.
Hello, Dad. Time for a walkie.
Perfect. That's what I wanted. Now I just have to add it to track. I'm going to click on that little plus button, and then I'm going to put it here at the beginning of the track. Now, because it's a shorter video, I didn't make a very long one. I'm going to go over here to the right side, and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, something like that. Let's go actually a little bit further. Let's go to the full zoom here. So here we go. Now we've got it on our play. We've got the playhead here, and we've got it on our timeline, and I can just scroll through it here. And as I scroll through it, you'll see the mouth moving and the AI avatar video just moving along as I scroll. Perfect. Now, on the left side, you'll see all sorts of things. I can't go into detail on all of them, but if you want to create AI images and add them to your track or add them to your timeline, you can do that. You can create AI audio, sound effects. You can create voiceovers. For this one, I'm going to add one of their own songs here, so I'm just going to click on audio, and then under audio, you'll see AI voiceover, AI sound effect, and then they've even got stock audio. So if I just wanted to add in a stock song, like this one here, 2 pianos. Let's just use that for brevity. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to listen to it first. Okay, we got a cool song there. I like it. Let's add it to the track. Here we go. Just click on the little blue plus button and presto, it's added. It's that simple. If I hit play, it's going to have now the voice of the corgi doing the voiceover, the AI avatar voiceover, and background music. It is literally that easy. Let's hit play and see what we got.
Hello, Dad. Time.
Perfect. Now, you will notice here that the background sound is a little bit loud, so I'm just going to click on it here. I just click on it in the timeline, and watch this. If I want to change that up, I could just reduce the noise, or I guess I'll just reduce the audio level from, say, I don't know, from 100% to, let's go with 33%. So this is a lot quieter. If I hit play again, you hear the background music will be a lot lower. Let's hear that again.
Hello, Dad. Time for a walk.
So something like that. Perfect. Now, there are lots of other things you can do. You can adjust it. You can fade it in. You can fade it out. You can add images. So if you want to go ahead and upload an image and add that to your timeline, you can do that here. Subtitles is a favorite. If you want to go ahead and add AI subtitles, a lot of the TikTok type and the YouTube shorts have subtitles in them. It's all in here. You can add in your own default text. So if I was to name this dog, I could just click on this here, and then you'll see it says effects 3. I click on that, and then wow, look at that. I double click, and there it says effects 3 for my corgi. But that's not the name of my corgi. The name of the corgi is Kingston. All right, there we go. We've added text in. It's literally that easy. And if I want to make it bigger, I can just pull on the handles. I mean, you guys see how this is going. This is that easy to use. That's the whole point of this, is it's crazy easy to use. If I like it, I can save it. If I want to keep it, I could just click on the export button, and then literally I ship it off, and then I can export it. Get some options here. Do I want to output model all? Yeah, let's go with that. Size, we can select the aspect ratio. We can select all of those things, guys. It's literally that easy to do. This is a fantastic tool. It does a lot of things. DupDub is quality stuff, guys. If you like AI avatars, voiceovers, translations, you know, this type of AI stuff, definitely worth giving it a try. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.